What's going on, dudes? Today is a Gamers Day. I'm really joking, but I'm actually on my cousin's house right now, which I spent me in the last video, which is Room 11. Check him out, boy. Check him out. Why am I joining my friend? No. Not users, man. I want to play against me and have some fun and shoot some guns. Hee-haw. Today we'll be playing Super Duper. Oh my god, Duper. What is Duper? I don't literally know. Superman Tycoon. So let's search that bitch. It's search, dude. Only hit the road when you're missing home. Is that for Superman Tycoon? Today we'll be playing Hulk. It wasn't Superman Tycoon. I just wrote that because it was Superhero Tycoon because it was superhero. So we're gonna get to the Superhero Tycoon right now, bitch. Let's get started. Shoot some guns. Hee-haw. Always do that intro, man. Always do that intro. Join the silver running boot. Hee-haw. Only hit the road and you're missing home. Can you please let me join right now? Can you please let me join? Let's try again. If that... Really pee? Okay. Really pee? I get in my way. Damn. Psh, I killed you. Yeah, I need to get to the game, bitch. Get to the game, bitch. Oops. There's somebody in the chest saying oops. Okay. I am willing to say that game. No, he took it. I want one. I want one. Who I am then? If that's somebody I hate. Who? Who's Deathstroke? I hate him. Who doesn't hate Deathstroke? I hate Deathstroke. I think I have to claim him. No chance, bitch. No chance.
Yeah. That is acting.
There's one. How much do I have? Oh my god, I need to get out of this game, bitch. I can't do this shit. Right? Oh, I just came in. Oh, that sound. Oh, that sound. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.